On a night like this, what wouldn't you give to have rain tires? Rain tires will hold 50% better on a wet curve than the tires that came with your car. And they'll stop you 30% shorter. Unless your car is a 65. The rain tire, just introduced by U.S. Royal. But what's it like when the sun comes out? Your car will handle like it never handled before. And it comes on many 65s, so it has to be smooth riding and quiet. The rain tire. Because you never know when it's going to rain.
Brought to you by Oldsmobile, in behalf of your local authorized Oldsmobile quality dealer.